What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today we're going to be featuring you. Let's do it. So before jumping into this video, I just want to give a shout out to everyone who participated. Thank you so much for participating and making this video happen. Of course, I couldn't have done it without you, otherwise it would have just been me staring at my computer screen. So that wouldn't have worked. Now, because I didn't want this video to be extremely long, I trimmed a lot of your performances down, so you just get the performance. So, I think we're good to go. Let's start with the first video. So the first performer we have is Matthew Kitchen, and he performed the trick Think of a Card, so I'll put the link to all these tricks in the description in order of appearance. So let's get into his performance. And here we go.
Hi guys, Matthew Kitchen here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be doing a card trick. I got this card trick from CardMechanic. He's an awesome YouTuber, so I suggest you go check him out.
Awesome YouTuber.
So I'll be laying some cards out until I think it's enough for the trick. So as I don't have a spectator, I'll be using Steve the Koala.
I like Steve the Koala.
Take a card for
I have
you guys.
Specky the Spectator. I drew him myself.
Okay, so yeah, that will be enough card.
Improvements
Steve,
later
please
on,
pick a card. Okay, so Steve has picked the 5 of Hearts. Okay, so I'm going to hand over the cards to Steve to spell out his card. But as Steve isn't here, I'll be doing it myself.
Like those cards.
So just pretend my hands are his. Okay, FIVEOFHEARTS. 5 of Hearts. That's his card.
That is awesome. That was a really good performance. I think if you definitely go out and do this trick for people, you'll get some amazing reactions. And I know you couldn't really get the whole feel from his performance because he wasn't performing it to another person. But I guarantee you when you perform this with another spectator, it'll just blow people's minds. In this case, Steve the Koala was pretty mind-blown because he said, wow, that's my card. So, great job, Matthew. So the next performer we have is Cardem Tutorials, and this guy is absolutely amazing. He's been following me for quite some time, so I really appreciate all his support. And the trick he will be performing is called Incredible Card Trick, and I'm not too great with names, so that's what it was labeled on my video. So, here we go.
I would like you to pick a card, any card.
You'll hear that music in the background.
As I go through, you want to take
it seems very
that
intense.
one. Okie dokie. I do not want to see what this card is, so I'm going to turn around and show you the card, right? So get ready to remember it. I've turned around, and there's the card.
Alright, we got the King of Hearts.
You've had long enough, right? So, 52 cards, you had a completely free choice of picking any one card you wanted, didn't you? Yeah. And we just get that card and get it lost into the packet. And why not? We'll give the packet a cut. And shall we? Yeah, we'll give it another cut, like that. So it's all gone and got messed it up. Now, here's the hard part.
Pretty good cuts. Definitely would
52 cards, you pick the card. You've seen the card. Now you've got to find the card without seeing the card. Doesn't that sound tricky? I'm just going to go through the cards like this, one at a time. And whenever you feel your card is there, you can say stop. Or you can put your finger on the card, if you can get your finger down the camera. And you want to stop on that one there. So, again, a recap. 52 cards. You had a free choice.
I have to say, I also love doing recaps before like a move that I'm about to perform.
Now, without seeing the cards,
or
you
like
just have to go and try and find
because
the card that you found
the
in the first place, right? Sounds really hard and complicated, but it's not that bad. We'll just leave your card for the moment sticking up in the middle of the packet. Just build the suspense, right? What was your card? 6 of clubs.
There. Yeah. That was not it.
No. Yeah.
That was not it.
It wasn't. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. It might have been an indicator. Let's see. 6 of clubs. So that'd be 6 cards, wouldn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 cards. Now, hopefully, on the turn of this card, I'll get a clap. The King of Hearts.
And there it is. There's the clap. Now, I actually really like performing these kind of indicator card tricks because, for me, at least the way I perform it, I make it seem like, that I messed up in the trick. And generally when the spectator gets that feeling, oh, this guy messed up, then their expectations kind of drop. And then when you actually do the full reveal, their reactions are even better. So great job with this performance. So now the next performer we have is Magic Tube. And now this guy is absolutely incredible. He has some great videos on his channel. And also he has a pretty good sized channel. So he'll be performing the coin matrix. Let's start. I like the display. I like the display he did. Okay, we got those 4 kings. We got the coins. I always like a bit of showmanship when I'm performing because it just really builds as the trick goes on, and then at the end the spectators just wow. Here we go, here we go. 1 coin, 1 coin. I like that he showed it twice. Pretty good switch. Ooh, I like that. I like how he switched those cards there. I like it. I also really like the setup. Oh. I like it. I always love doing something like that. And that slow reveal. Okay, got a little stuff happen, but that's okay. But I like the slow reveals. Those are always amazing. And there it is. That is the coin matrix. Then of course you gotta end with everything looking nicely. That was beautiful. I loved it. Absolutely amazing performance. Great job. So up next we have Griffin Meier, and this guy has some really good skills. He's actually going to be performing a card trick that he had told me to perform, and now he'll be performing that trick. I feel like I said perform too many times. So again, the link to that will be in the description. Let's get into his performance. If I could find my mouse. There it is. Look at that. I love card spreads like that.
Hey, back with another trick. Got my spectator Maggie over here. Go ahead and touch a card.
I also love when people have spectators. That's something I need.
So you touch this card right over here, the Ace of Diamonds. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Ace of Diamonds, I'm going to lose it into the deck, just like so. And I believe if you get a card, I should get a card as well. So I'm going to take top card over here, the 10 of clubs.
Okay.
I'm going to stick that into the box, just like so. And I'm going to leave that box right there. Go ahead, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Right there. Perfect. So you could have stopped at any card, but you stopped right over here. At your card, the Ace of Diamonds. Now that's pretty cool, but it would be a lot better if I could take the Ace of Diamonds and my card and just switch them.
I love that change.
So now I got my card over here
for a while, and I just can't get it down. But
the
that was
only
very nice.
card is your card, the Ace of Diamonds.
And of course, having that card switch, man, I'm telling you, anything that you do with the card switch, whether it be in the box or in people's hands, it just drives them insane. Of course, in the hands is obviously a lot better, but I mean, if you put it in the box and you put the box in a person's hands, I'm telling you, you will get the craziest reactions. So great job, Griffin Meier. I really enjoyed this performance, and of course, thanks again for, telling me to perform this trick and putting it up on my channel. Now next we have Nepagic 100, and now this guy's absolutely fantastic. I go on his channel all the time just to see what he's working on, the videos he has up. So if you guys haven't been to his channel, definitely go check him out. And now he has performed one of my sandwich tricks, so let's just start the video. I like that music. You got those 2 jokers up. Then we got 2 cards selected. King of Diamonds. Ooh, I love how he lost it in the deck. That was nice. I need to start doing that. That's nice. Introduce the second card. I like how he put the cards up on the screen so you don't forget. Because I know that's a problem with me sometimes. Alright, showing off the 2 jokers. Cut them into the deck. But I really like this music. It makes it sound so mysterious. There it is, 7 diamonds. That's the second selected card. Okay, put that 7 diamonds back in there. Oh, and it came back on top. And there it is, the King of Diamonds. I like it. I really like how he performed. That was really nice. Everything was performed so nicely, so cleanly, and unless you know what you're looking for, there would have been no possible way to figure out anything from there. So absolutely an amazing performance. So now to wrap it all up, we have Robert Ball Magician, and I really love how he does performances. He always has another spectator, which again, I would love to have. And he'll be performing a self-working card trick that could fool multiple people at once. So let's do it.
So here goes.
Alright.
I'm going to be working with a full deck of cards. Some days I don't work with a full deck of cards, so we don't need the jokers.
I like the shirt as well.
Okay, and what I'm going to do here, Ryan, is I'm going to make some piles. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to, I want you to shuffle each pile. Give each pile a shuffle. Okay?
Get the shuffle one done.
There. Get that, shuffle those.
We got some more shuffling done.
That way, there's no way of knowing what the order of the cards are at this point. There are really 3 piles of shuffled cards. Okay, now, what I want you to do is I want you to remove a card from here, remove a card from here, and remove a card from here. Write them down here, okay, but keep the cards face down.
So I just keep them here?
Well, actually, take each card out, okay, and then write them. Take it off the top. Go ahead. That's fine.
I just took the cards off the top
Okay.
for now.
Now we're going to turn away while you write those cards down, and then turn the paper over.
Okay.
Hearts, 2 spades, and ace of diamonds.
Alright.
Good to go.
Okay. Now, take one of those cards and place them on top of this pile here. Okay. You take some cards off of here and place them on top. All right. Take one of the other 2 cards, place them on top of there.
Alright.
Take some more off, place it on top of that. Take that card, place it on top of that. Take those remaining cards, give those a little shuffle too. And then place those on top of that.
On top of where?
Collect all 3 piles.
There we go.
Okay? Now, there's no way that I know where your cards are at. But we're going to make a bet here. I'm going to bet you
We
$1
got cash
that
involved
we're not going to find
Now
some
we got
cards
some cash
at the
involved.
very last moment.
Alright.
Okay? Now, what I want you to do is take the deck, deal the first card face up, next card face down, face up, face down. Okay?
Just repeat like that.
Yep.
Well, that generally takes a while. So I'm just gonna see if I can speed through this a little bit. Not too much though.
Did you see your card? Did you see your recording here? Okay. Alright. Let's you gotta win this. No, I win that dollar back. Alright. Do me a big favor. Do me no favor. You'll face up, face down. We're still looking for your cards. Well, are you sure? I'll forget, huh? Alright, let me help you out here. Cards here?
I like that face he made. Let's go at normal speed.
How about now? No?
Oh, and then we only
How
got those
about
3 cards
now?
left.
The last 3 cards.
What?
Are they the cards?
That would make me, yes.
7 of hearts?
10 of hearts, 2 spades, and ace of diamonds.
There you go.
What a hat.
Alright, man. This is my take on CardMechanic's trick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with more. Thanks so much.
Good stuff. I like the face he made midway between. That was fantastic. But yeah, really good performance. I enjoyed watching it. And the reason I really like this video a lot is because you had the full thing going on. You had the performer and the spectator. You could see both. You could get both reactions. So just absolutely great video. So I really enjoyed featuring all you guys on my channel. And I'll put the link to all these performances and my performance / tutorial take in the description below. So you can go make sure and check all those out. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for everyone who participated. It was really great to see all your performances, and I hope everyone else enjoyed watching your performances as well. And since I got a good number of people to participate, I'm going to be doing this again next month. But for next month, I'm going to be selecting a trick, and you guys are going to show off your performance skills by the way you go about doing the trick. So I'll be making the announcement for that sometime next month or when I hit my next subscriber milestone. So thanks again so much for watching. Make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel because your support really means a lot to me. So I'll put the link to that in the description, and also in the description is the link to all my social media, so you can follow me on there as well for all my status updates, photos, videos, and whatever else I have. So all that being said, I will see you in the next video. Welcome to the end screen. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe because subscribing is good. Thanks for watching.